I'd like to thank you all for your subscriptions, likes and shares. Welcome to the D&D Gardening channel.
Good morning, everyone. This is Dee with D&D Gardening, and I am out of my garden. I am so sorry it took so long for me to get back to you. Goodness, it took forever for my
Oh no. Dee thinks she has a critter crawling down her back.
I don't even know what I'm trying to do, but something back here wasn't feeling right. This thing hoodie. Anyway. Hello and good morning. This is Dee from D&D Gardening, and today I am going to finally be able to fertilize all of my plants and give them a good watering. I hear we're going to get a light freeze. I think it's I don't know if it's one day this week or if it's going to be one day next week. I don't know, but I know my babies need a good pick-me-up, so I'm going to feed them right now. So you will just see me go from area to area fertilizing, and what I am fertilizing with is my 10-10-10 that I was waiting on because of the inclement weather was delayed in arriving to me because the big box store that I go to does not carry it in the store, so I wasn't able to get it, actually go and get it myself. I had to wait for them to deliver it. I'm also going to use some bone meal and a little blood meal, and I'm also going to probably use Dr. Earth's. Not sure, but I'm going to give everybody what they need in order to get some type of nutrients. They've already got some, but I'm going to give them a little more because it's cold and they may need a pick-me-up. So, my phone. Stop it. So, I am going to, my husband sending me a video off of the security camera. So anyway, you're going to see me bouncing around the garden, putting fertilizer and everything, and that's pretty much about it. So come along and let's get to fertilizing my babies. Oh, and I did put my potatoes, I cut the dead leaves off of the potatoes and I did put it in the greenhouse. I am going to zip it closed so it'll stay warm, and hopefully that will help revive it and it will produce some more greenery. Let's hope. So, come along with me. Shake and bake. Whoa. If it don't sing. Good night. Okay. Whew. I got everybody fed. Everybody is fertilized. I didn't add any more fertilizer to my carrots and my onions because when I put them in, they were full of, I kind of over fertilized them because I didn't want to have to keep trying to fertilize them, if that makes sense. But everybody's fed, everybody's comfortable, I hope. And everybody has something to drink. And that is it. Oh, you know I told you I have these dumb bunny moments. Well, it was cold. We had the little ice storm of January 2025. And we had turned the taps, our outside faucets, to drip so they wouldn't freeze, right? We didn't reattach the water hose. And I thought we had. So here I am. I got my watering wand in one hand. I made sure it was turned off, but I turned the water faucet on full blast. And guess what happened? Yeah, from the knee down, I'm soaking wet. So, yeah, I need to remember. Check and make sure the water hose is attached to the faucet first before you turn the water on. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in the house. I'm gonna get out of these wet clothes and I'm gonna get comfortable. So, thank you for joining me in my backyard while I was feeding my babies and giving them something to drink. And if this is your first time or your 5th time on our channel or visiting our channel, please consider subscribing if you haven't. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And always remember, oh, no. If this is your first time or your 5th time visiting our channel, please consider subscribing if you haven't. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to remind you or notify you whenever we upload a video. Always remember, grow your own, eat your own, because you never know what they are feeding us out in the world, and at least you know what you've grown. I keep adding on to that, and I shouldn't do that because it's self-explanatory. Right? So, rewind. I'm having trouble with my outros for some reason. I'm trying not to sniff is the problem. Okay. If this is your first time or your 5th time visiting our channel, please consider subscribing if you enjoyed the content. Always remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a video. Always remember, grow your own, eat your own. And until the next video, take care. Bye. Okay. Whew. I had to go through that fast.